Hey guys, it's Alex Beatspancer again. So I told you in my last video that in my next video, which is this video, that I should be showing you a couple of the projects that I'm doing here. So the project I'm working on right now is actually pretty cool. So we got this right here, which I printed off, and it is basically an actual replica of the moons, like the craters and the divots and all that. And right now on the printer is the base that I custom designed for it. That, as well as here is the battery pack that I have, and then this is the bulb. Oop. This is the bulb that I got for it, which is just a blue LED, and then I had to diffuse it, and I did so with some hot glue if it will decide to focus on it, which it won't. Alright. Anyways, so that, and then that piece obviously goes inside here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and put it all kind of together to kind of show you how it's looking here. Alright, now I got that put on there with just some tape on there, and I also have it hooked up to this switch here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dim the lights and flip the switch. And as you can see, although it doesn't quite show up very well on the camera, but it does show all the pits and everything of the moon. Although in the camera it's showing that LED really bright, but in real life it doesn't quite have as much of those hot spots bleeding through it. Go ahead and turn the light back on and flip the switch on there off. But yeah, so I'm making this. Sorry. So yeah, I'm making this for a really dear friend, Bob, who's more than a friend. I've known him since 6th grade. He's been there through all sorts of stuff. But I'm making him this as a thank you gift for, you know, pretty much everything he's done for me during this whole process. So yeah, that's the project I'm working on this time. Next time I might show you my my bonsai trees and stuff that I got going on. All right, keep up the good fight.